Hey guys, it's Marie Antoinette with Posh Paper Perfection, and welcome to my channel. This tutorial is for Anna Griffin's square 6x6 envelope dies. You will learn how to make an envelope die for your 6x6 cards. Now, if you watched my previous product review on this die, you will remember I was having a pretty difficult time trying to figure out how to have a clean cut. The length of this die is longer than 12 inches, and on a 8x12 piece of cardstock, I was having a hard time getting the cut to be clean. And I'm certainly positive I am not the only one that was having a hard time figuring this out. Well, watch this video because I'm going to share with you how you can get a clean cut and you don't have to be as frustrated as I was. Before we begin, we need to distinguish debossed side and an embossed side. The marble side we're going to call an embossed side. The yellow solid print is the debossed side. This is really important. And when you first make your envelope, I suggest you make it on a double-sided cardstock with two different prints. On white cardstock, it's very confusing. Now, you can make your entire card with one 12x12 piece of paper. You're going to have to angle it over to the side like I have, and then you're going to take the side panel. And before you do any cutting or any marking, you're going to take the side panel, you're going to line it up, and then you're going to take that side panel and go on the bottom side of your paper, and you're going to line it up to make sure that you have enough cardstock for your envelope base. Before cutting, I would suggest to go ahead and mark the sides of the envelope base. You can also use a cutting knife. After you mark that, then you're going to go ahead and cut it. I also cut the tops before I put it on my magnetic mat to feed through my Empress die cutting machine. And you can see now the envelope base fits on the entire cardstock. So I'm going to get a clean cut with this. And now I'm going to take those triangle pieces, which were the leftovers of the envelope base, and I'm going to cut my side panels. The side panels are asymmetrical, so it does not matter which one you use for right or left. Here's how to assemble this. You're going to take the embossed side and you're going to flip it down so the debossed side is faced up. Then you're going to take your side panel and there is a scoring line. You're going to take your boating folder and you're going to go ahead and crease it before you put the tape. There is some embellishment embossing there. You do not crease that. Before you attach your side panels to your envelope, you are going to take your envelope base bottom panel and crease that up. This is going to make it so much easier for you to know exactly how to align your side panels. And then you're going to take off the tape like that. It hangs over to the edge. Just fold it in. Okay. And then you're going to put the corner flush on the side. Okay. And you can flip it over before you press it, and there it is, just like that. See? It's almost seamless. You almost can't see it. And you're going to do the same thing for this. Oh, hello. The corners. attach them up here. And then seal it. Just like that. Ta-da! Okay, so now that that's done, now you're going to want to add tape here and tape here. And then we're going to take a thin piece of tape and put it here after we remove this. So this is going to stick there. And now your envelope is ready for your card. I would suggest go ahead and put some adhesive on the top part of your envelope in addition to your envelope seal. That way you don't have to worry about it opening up. And of course you'll have to use labels on your envelope since it has a print on it, so the postmaster can easily see the recipient and sender address. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you have any questions or you have a suggestion on a future tutorial, please let me know in the comments below. Please consider subscribing to my channel and liking my videos. And don't forget, if you want to be notified of the latest videos, please click on the bell.